Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today on the CLK we're going to show you guys how to remove and replace the computer for the convertible top. If you have a problem with the computer, you diagnose it and you know that's bad, we'll show you now. Stay with us guys. We'll need to go ahead, open the trunk, we'll need to disconnect the battery, and we will go ahead and take a few things apart now. So we'll need to remove the carpet in the trunk, and now we'll need to get a 10mm, okay, and we'll need to remove a few bolts now. Those are the ones I'm talking about right here. We need to remove all of this. Okay, one is out. We'll just collect it here. Second one. This one doesn't want to come out. We'll come back to it. So we're going to get a wrench for these two because they're hard to get with a little impact. And also we will have the videos for the fuses for the convertible top, how to operate. So all that is coming soon guys. Check the playlist. If it's not there yet, it will be in the future. Okay, we're going to remove that cap, plastic cap that holds that carpet piece in place there, so we can gain more room. One on this side, we already removed it right here. You can see because there is more bolts now, hidden bolts. A couple more here, not as easy as you think. For instance, we have the BMW E46, that's the main build on our channel, World Mechanics guys, and the hydraulic pump is way easier than that Mercedes. This one is a little bit complicated. Okay, this one, both of them will come out now. And then we have a couple more to do. Okay, we got this one out. Okay, we remove that bolt and one like that on the other side, so we can remove that thing out of there, so we can gain more room because there is a few hidden bolts. So now, if you twist it that way, okay, it's gonna come out. Same thing on this side. We need to unglue that carpet here. Okay, and we're going to install that one later guys. So now you can see we have more room. We will actually remove those clips so this thing can drop. We'll be using one of those clip removers. You can get the whole kit, very inexpensive. We'll have the link on our website guys. Okay, so you pull the middle part out and then the whole clip. Okay, well, this one is off. And we have more bolts, as you can see here. And there, you can see how many we have hidden bolts here. Very inconvenient, guys, very inconvenient. Limited room. Okay, we need to pick all the bolts now that we just dropped in the trunk. And let's see if that thing is gonna come out now. And you can see all the bolts inside the spare tire compartment here that we got. And even a few more here and there. Tic tac, somebody left here. Alright guys, and we got the thing out of here now. So finally, you can see we got everything out of there. This is the amp, as you know. You don't even have to remove those 4 bolts, but we accidentally did. You need to install those when on the metal cover, so it's easier to install everything together. And this is the computer now, but what do we need to do? We need to disconnect the battery for at least 30 minutes to an hour, okay, before we actually remove the computer. That way we won't have any electricity in the system. So with a 13mm we're going to disconnect the positive and the negative on the battery, as you know, and we'll be able to get to the convertible top computer. Okay, we're going to put that under the positive there so it's not touching. And now we have a person in the trunk. Yep. So we have 4 nuts that we need to remove with a 10mm. Okay, one is out. Second one. Now we have 2 towards the back that are not as convenient. Okay, just one more to go, I believe. And this one, we will actually use the wrench on this one because otherwise we have to get extension. Let me get an extension so we can do it easier. So it will be easier if you get an extension. Okay, and you do it that way. Okay, now you need to get the nuts out of the way. You need to disconnect the wires on this one now. So if you get a small screwdriver or a prying tool, you can go ahead, pop that thing open like that. Okay, and you can go ahead and remove the wires, guys. And this is the module, this is the brains, the computer for the convertible top. Okay, right here. So that's how you guys remove it. You install it exactly the same way we took it apart in reverse order, put everything together. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.